Good fucking morning, legends of resilience and relentless pursuit. Today, you rise from the ashes, reborn, ready to fucking conquer. You've danced with the damn flames, felt the heat, and emerged stronger than ever. Your heart? It's a blazing inferno of purpose. Your spirit? Unbreakable steel. This isn't just another day, it's your day. The universe doesn't get to decide your fate, you do. Remember, champions, you're not just here to survive. You're here to thrive, to dominate, to make every goddamn second count. Let the world know you've arrived. Take that step, make that move, ignite that spark. Your journey isn't a straight line, it's a wild, chaotic ride. Embrace every twist and turn, every fall and rise. You've got the guts, the grit, the glory. Stand tall, speak loud, break barriers. Your failures, they're just the fucking warm-up. Your victories, they're legendary milestones. So rise, rebuild, and conquer. Today is the day you make the impossible possible. Let your roar echo through the ages. You're not just a survivor, you're a goddamn conqueror. Go out and claim your throne.